September 28 and 29 in 1874. AI response: September 28 and 29 in 1874 were both weekdays. Prompt: what historical event occurred on those dates in North Texas involving Kawana Parker? AI response: on September 28 and 29, 1874, a historical event known as the Battle of Adobe Walls took place in North Texas involving Kawana Parker. It was a skirmish between a group of buffalo hunters and a coalition of Native American tribes, including the Comanche, led by Kawana Parker. The Native American tribes were unsuccessful in their attempts to drive out the buffalo hunters, and the battle is regarded as a significant event in conflict between Native Americans and settlers during the American Indian Wars. Prompt: what role did the U.S. Army have in the shooting of over 1,000 horses? AI response: I'm sorry, I don't have information on the shooting of over 1,000 horses involving the U.S. Army. It's possible that you may be referring to a specific event that I'm not familiar with. Could you provide more details or context about this incident?
What a great little spot to pull in and charge up. There is a parking lot here with 2 rows of 4 with 2 spots on each side, so 16 RVs could actually pull into this area. And I pulled into the very first spot and am able to charge my vehicle. As you can see, that there's charging stations next to each vehicle that's in here, but there's also room for another RV to fit on that side for the charging station that matches that one, and on the other side of that one. So again, it would be a pretty tight fit, but hey, for no cost, you've got a place for the kids to play, you've got a dumpster, you've got a dump station, you've got a bathroom, and just pull in real quick, and then next morning when you're done, pull out. They do ask that you only stay 24 hours, but hey, if every town or every other town did that, how beautiful would that be? And it's not necessarily something that I would use that often, but rather than going up a 4-wheel drive road and hoping that it's not cloudy, if I ever need to just swing in, get a nice place to sleep and charge up, this is the spot. I wanted to thank the town of Dumas for Texoma Park. Thank you very much.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down,